MCQs on General Accepted Accounting Principle. According to going concern concept, a business entity should be assumed to have a long life. In a balance sheet, contingent liability is shown as a because of convection of disclosure. Revenue is considered as earning when a sale is effected. Accounting does not record a non-financial transaction because of which principle measurement concept. Which concept states that even the owner of a capital may be treated as a creditor of the business entity concept. Appending notes to the financial statement as per a disclosure convention. According to a pen is an accounting of a pen is an expense and not an asset is due to materiality. Following the written down value of a depreciation on a particular is because of a consistency convention. Valuation of a stock is done at a lower cost or market value because of a conservatism. Making provision for doubtful debt is a conservative concept. Contingent liability shown in balance sheet arises disclosure. Accounting principles are generally based on practicability. According to money measurement concept, which of the following is recorded in book? Value of a plant and machinery. The convention of prudence where when applied to balance sheet result in understatement of asset. Accounting concept include those assumptions upon which the science of accounting is based. If a firm follow the straight line method of depreciation asset after every year due to consistency. A change in accounting policy is justified to comply the accounting standard to ensure better presentation of financial statement to comply with the law. All of this. Which of the following is a fundamental accounting assumption? Going concern. Revenue should be recognized at a point of sale where which principle applied are realization. Which assumption says that a business entity will not be sold or liquidated in a near future because of going concern. Corporate must prepare financial statement by time to time due to period concepts. Which principle states that the same accounting method should be used from one accounting period to next. Consistency. Expense not yet been paid still record in accounting is which concept? Accrual. Classification of asset are current asset and fixed asset. Going concern concepts. The convention that states that accounting practice should be followed consistently or consistency. Which accounting principle says that personal expense should be debit to drawing account? Business entity concept. Which principle says that quality should not be recorded in the book of account? Money measurement concept. Which concept assumes that a business entity will not be liquidated in near futures? Going concern concepts. Which accounting concepts require that the life of a business will be divided into smaller parts? Accounting period concepts. Under which concept asset is recorded at a cost even if the market price is more or less? Cost concepts. Under which concept advance received against the sale of good is recorded as advance? Revenue recognition concepts. Which accounting principle is applicable to closing stock is valued at a lower of a cost or market value? Prudence concept. General reserve is created on the basis of a prudence.